So we had what they call the court school program. Myself, Judge Luis Singletary, and Judge Benton Court started this program maybe about 5 years ago, where we move our courtroom into the high schools. And that way we can show the kids about different career paths they can take. We're also as a deterrent of what not to do when they see the defendants here. So I think it's important the kids see it firsthand. So we thought it was a great program to bring in. Once we come here, it's no longer La Joya Gymnasium, it belongs to me, 398 District Court.
It's a great program for our students to actually witness, real life court cases. They can have an experience. They don't have to travel to the actual courthouse. We bring the courthouse over here. And it just provides students, if you want to say, a reality check about how the law works, in case these students have any interest in being attorneys, being bailiffs, being judges, that they can get an opportunity for them to really see live action, live cases here at our school building.
Today's courts was amazing. I really liked how the judge was being lenient towards defendants and towards the people that he was persecuting. And the persecutors as well, I noticed how they had a lot of information with them, and I noticed how everything was just going really smooth. Even though we didn't have as much defendants, it was very nice.
I think it's hugely important for students in our community to be able to observe the court system, particularly because they're at an age in high school where they're going to be faced with a lot of difficult decisions, some temptations sometimes. And so when they are able to watch the judicial process play out in front of them in their school, it gives them the opportunity to know what kinds of consequences come so that they can hopefully make the best decisions.
I feel like if they hear the story that these defendants, the lives that they've had, up until this point, what got them in front of the judge, what got them prosecuted. I feel like maybe, in most cases, they'll try and avoid those same mistakes that these individuals are experiencing. And they even got to hear from a couple of the defendants, and the defendants warned them, hey, stay away from drugs. It's not worth it. Go to school, do the right thing, get a job, make your own money. So hopefully, most of them heed those words and follow that path.
I think this was an awesome experience. The courts was very educational, and it was very beneficial for all of the students in there who are thinking about going to criminal law, into the justice field. Judge Keno Vasquez really changed how I perceived a person of that position. They can be compassionate. They don't have to be like robots following a system. They're actual people who want to make society better.
The benefit of being able to witness this, to actually kind of see how the court runs, it's a great benefit, not only to those individuals or those students who are having difficulties with school or in their own personal lives, but also those individuals who are interested in the law enforcement area, whether it be in the judicial system, in law enforcement in itself, probation, or even have questions. Like I know right now, the judge is taking questions in reference to the different jobs and the different experiences and what anybody involved in today's session can bring from their experience to relate to the defendant. So it's a wonderful opportunity for any student that can actually witness this. It's great.
To La Joya ISD, the teachers especially, and all the principals, counselors, the faculty and staff, I appreciate you allowing me to come to your home. I want to be able to help our community, and sometimes we say we're going to help, but we don't do as elected officials. And I wanted to come in and say, hey, I'm here for La Joya ISD.